And wow, everyone's so quiet. I love that. This spell down, we'll put it there. Good? Alright, let's sing our song to wake up baby Echo.
Wake
up, wake up, wake up, sleepyhead. Wake up, wake up, wake up, sleepyhead. We sing it, right? Let's all say hello. Right? Hello, hello, hello. Alright, let's go over some of the letters we've been learning about. Ready? First, Mr. Shaw and baby Echo, then you. A, apple, A.
A, apple, A.
Good. B, bat, B.
B, bat, B.
Good. Andreas, I love how you're sitting crisscross right now. C, cat, C.
C, cat, C.
Great. D, oh, first Mr. Shaw, then you. D, dog, D.
D, dog, D.
Great. E, ed, E.
E, ed, E.
F, fun,
F, fun.
Good. G, game, G.
G, game, G.
Good. H, hat,
H,
hat, Good. And this letter we learned yesterday. Does anyone remember the letter? Raise your hand. Joey, what letter? What letter?
Monkey and
Close. What letter is it?
Alda.
Just tell me the letter. Go ahead, Scotty. It's the letter
I.
I. Good, Kevin. I, itch, it, right? I, itch, it. Let's do it again. I, itch, it. Good. Does anyone remember any words that start with the letter I?
Igloo.
Oh, raise your hand nice and quietly.
Igloo.
Igloo. Yeah.
Iguana.
Iguana.
An insect.
A what?
An insect.
Insect. Good. Joey.
And
Insect. Good. All right, we're going to watch a video. A new video from yesterday. Yes, 1 second. Ink. Good. You can turn the lights off. Good. I'll talk about that later. All right, while we're watching this video, it's a quick video. It's going to show you how to write the letter I, and it's going to say words that start with the letter I. All right, we need to have listening ears. Crisscross applesauce, looking at the screen.
Let's learn about a letter in the alphabet. It's so much fun. Let's learn about one letter I. Letter I.
Letter I.
Letter I. Let's write that letter in the alphabet.
Use your finger if you
It's
want.
so much fun to draw
Do it
one.
with the woman.
Hold your pointer finger
Ready?
here. Draw the letter in the air. Follow me, and you'll see an uppercase I. An uppercase I. That's an uppercase I. That's an uppercase
Now we do the little I.
Now a lowercase I. A lowercase I. That's a lowercase I. That's a lowercase I. Now use your voice. Let's make the sound of the letter I.
Make the sound.
All together now. Now use your eyes to see some words
Use your
that
eyes.
begin with the letter I. Igloo. Ink.
Ink.
Iguana.
Iguana.
Inch.
Inch.
Now we learned about the letter I. Letter I. Letter I. Letter I.
can turn the light back on. Thank you. So, was there any other words in that video that we just watched that we didn't say before? Does anyone know?
Igloo.
Inch, good. Blake?
Iguana.
Iguana, great job.
And ink.
Ink. Joey, you had your hand up? What was it? Good. Ink, good. All right, hands are down. Good job. I'm gonna go around and you're gonna say a letter that we've learned before, okay? Try not to say the same one as your friends. A apple A. B apple. Good. A apple A. Good. A apple A. Good. Can you try a different one? Good. C. Good. Good. Try a different one. Great. Great. Good. Want to try? What about the one we just learned? I, itch, ick. Can you try it? Say it. I, itch, ick. Okay, we'll come back to you, Kevin. Great. Way to switch it up.
I itch it.
Good. Good job, Shawnee.
I itch it.
Nice.
C. Cat. E. Dog. Duck.
Good. That's new.
E. Dog. Duck.
Good job, Blake. Anyone else out there?
Do it.
Go ahead.
E. Dog. Duck.
Good. Maddie, did you? C, cat, cub. Good. Great job. Let's count how many we've learned now, since we learned a new one yesterday. Ready? Let's count all the letters we've learned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 new letters so far. Great job. Now we can say bye to Baby Echo. Let's all say bye. Bye, Baby Echo. See you tomorrow. Now let's learn again how to write the letter I. Make sure you're paying attention, right? Because we're gonna have to do skywriting. So you gotta know how to write the letter I. All right, we start with the letter I. A big I starts at the, this is the skyline. So we start at the skyline and go all the way down to the grass line. Good. I'll move in a sec, okay? Then we go across on the skyline, and we go across on the grass line. Okay? These ones are pretty simple, right? Because they're straight lines. They're not like a G that has circles and squiggly lines, right? I's are nice and straight lines across, and sometimes there's a dot for a little I. Okay? Let's try the little I. Little I starts at the plain line. Good. And we go to the, right? We do a line to the grass line, and then we put a
Dot.
where? Do I put the dot right here?
No.
Where do I put it?
In the middle.
Oh, go ahead.
In the middle.
In the middle of where? Here?
Sky and the grid.
In the plain line?
Yeah.
In the middle of the sky and the plain line, like that?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job. Let's try them again. So we start at the plain line and go down to the,
Grass
and then we put a dot
on this
in the middle of the,
skyline.
and the plain line. Good. Let's try that with our fingers. Ready? Fingers up. Doing a little I. We go down from the plain line to the grass line and a dot in the middle of the skyline and the plain line. Let me see you do it. Ready? Down with a dot.
Dot.
Good.
That's easy.
It is a pretty easy letter. Now let's try the big I, or the uppercase I. We start at the skyline and go all the way down to the grass line, and then go across on the skyline, and across on the grass line. Good, let's try it with our fingers. We start with a line going down to the grass line, and a line across on the skyline, and a line across on the grass line. All right, let me see you do it. Good, great job. Great job. All right, let me put this back, and we're gonna get ready to do some rhyming words, and we're gonna be listening for the beginning and ending sound in words.
Mr. Shaw, can I go to the bathroom?
Really quick.
Can I wait in line?
We're gonna have no waiting in line for the bathroom. All right, let's turn around and looking at Mr. Shaw. All right. Show me you're listening by having your eyes on me. Good. Crisscross, applesauce, awesome. All right. I will say 2 words that rhyme, and you will say the words back to me. Dog, log.
Dog, log.
10, when.
10, when.
Fit, sit.
Sit, sit.
Good. Nap, map.
Nap, nap.
Map. Good. Mud, bud.
Mud, mud.
Good. Now we will listen for the first sound we hear. Then I'm going to say the sound back. And you will first me, then you. So I'm going to say the sound is mm. Good. So me.
Me.
Good. Mice.
Mice.
Good. Make.
Make.
Great. The next sound is d.
D.
D. What letter makes the d sound?
D.
D. Good. So d, do.
The do.
D, dance.
The dance.
D, desk.
The desk.
Hand up. What's up? Yeah.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Someone's in there. You just gotta wait. Okay. Now I will say 2 small words and blend them together to make 1 big word. First Mr. Shaw, then you. Pancake, pancake.
Pancake.
Pancake. Sometime, sometime. Sometime. Upstairs, upstairs. Upstairs, upstairs. Great. Wild cat, wildcat. Cat, wildcat. Great job, Kevin. You're doing a great job, buddy. Following along.
What's a wildcat?
A wildcat is sometimes like a mascot for a school, but it's also an animal.
Oh.
Yeah. Wildcat's a wild cat.
What
It's
about
a cat that lives in the wild. We'll talk about that later, okay? Next, I'm gonna say book, mark, bookmark. Bookmark, bookmark. Does anyone know what we use a bookmark for?
I know. A book
Oh, Shawnee's saying.
For marking the book where you need to go when, when you're a page that you're reading, and when you know it's time to go, and then you put a bookmark in, right?
Yeah, sometimes you're reading a book, right? And mom says, time to go to McDonald's or something, right? And you gotta close your book, but you put a bookmark to know where you left off, right? Great, good job, Shawnee. Now we will listen for the last sound we hear in words. Remember, the last sound comes at the end of a word. I will say a sound, you will say that sound back to me. Then I will say some words that end with that sound. First Mr. Shaw, then you. The first sound is Room, Rhyme, Yum, Great. Now the next sound is p. P. That's a fun sound. Top, p. Shop, p. Lap, p. Good. Great job, Vincenzo.
I can say all day.
All right, and our voices are quiet. Next, I will say one big word and split it into two small words. First, Mr. Shaw, then you. Pancake, pancake. Pancake, pancake. Good. Remember, first me, then you. Sometime, sometime. I'll take that. Thank you. Sometime. Upstairs, upstairs. Upstairs, upstairs. Boys and girls, try to let Mr. Shaw say it first, okay? So when Mr. Shaw is talking, you need to be quiet and just listen. Where are we? Wildcat, wildcat. Wildcat, wildcat. Good. Bookmark, bookmark. Bookmark, bookmark. Good job, Scotty. Way to follow along, buddy. Now I will say a sentence out loud, then we will say the sentence together. Last, we will say the sentence together one more time and count the words we hear. Please sit down.
Please sit down.
Good. Counting fingers. Please sit down. How many?
3.
Oh, I heard 3. I also heard 4. Should we count again?
Yeah.
Okay. Please sit down. 3. You're doing this. You're doing this. Please sit down. You're adding 2 words for down. Okay, Kylie?
I got 4.
It's please sit.
I got 4.
Look at Mr. Shaw's fingers. Please. Start over. Please sit down. 3. Okay, let's try again. Please take turns. Please take turns. Counting fingers. Please take turns. 3. Please stand up.
Please stand up.
Counting fingers. Please stand up. 3. 3. Show me 3. Good. Great. Please clean up. Clean up. 1 second. Let's count. Please clean up. 3. Great. Now I will ask. Scotty, you want to come up and help me point to the alphabet? We're going to sing the ABC song.
So everyone get a turn.
Excuse me. Here you go. You know how to do it? We start at the letter. All right. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
I'm not gonna say.
Kevin, looking up here. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Good job, Scotty. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great. All right. Can I have all my friends make a circle on the dark blue squares?
I'm already saying on a dark.
Okay, so move down a little bit. Hey, Shawnee, can you move down too? So Mr. Shaw has some now. All right, let's do this quick. I have a lot of room over here. A lot of room. Right there, perfect. Okay, now everyone's looking at Mr. Shaw. Okay, today we're going to be doing an activity.
I know that.
Logan, thank you so much for being quiet right now, listening to Mr. Shaw. I really love when my friends are quiet, when I ask them to.
I'm being quiet.
Thank you, Scotty. Okay, now let's look at what Mr. Shaw has, okay? This is what we're going to be doing. Does anyone know what this is?
A spider.
It is a spider, but we're learning about the letter I. And what word starts with the letter I? Insect. This is an insect. I, insect, insect. Good, okay? Now let's go over how we're going to do this activity today, okay? How do we glue?
What's our glue set?
How do we glue the edges? We go up, right? And we go across. And then we go down, like you look at. And then we go across again. And then am I done?
No.
What do we do? We need the X. So we make a nice big X across the page. And then, do I glue it like that?
No.
How do I glue it?
Straight.
Right, like that.
Yeah.
That looks good? All right. Next, I don't have a crayon, but we will get a crayon. And you're going to color in the letter I. All right? Whatever color you want. You choose the color crayon. I chose red. Okay? Next, you're going to do the legs. So we have little insect legs. Okay? You're going to, ooh. Okay. We have little insect legs. Okay?
Did that come from the ceiling?
No.
It comes from Miss Herman.
Okay, let's look back at Mr. Shaw. Ready? So we're gonna glue the legs. So you do it on the table, but Mr. Shaw's gonna do it holding it. So we do that, right? We glue one side and we put it right there. Okay? All right. So then we're gonna be doing 6 legs. So 1, I glue that one. 2, I glue this one. 3, I glue this one. That's 4. Then I glue this one. 5. And I glue this one. It's 6. Good. Next, Mr. Shaw is going to come around with a liquid glue bottle. I'm going to put 2 dots. I'm going to put 2 dots on the paper. That's where you put the eyes, okay? All right? Now let's go back to the coloring part. How do we like to color? Like a crazy man? Like this? Like this?
No.
How do we color?
Inside.
Inside what?
Inside.
Oh, inside the lines, like this?
Yeah.
Okay, but do I color inside the lines like really hard?
No.
Oh.
It's going to break.
It's going to break, right? So we do it nice. Yeah, can we go back? Can we go back to the blue squares? Thank you. Crisscross applesauce. We do it nice and soft. And we try our best to stay in the lines. Is it okay? Is it okay if we go out of the lines a little bit?
Yeah.
Right? It's okay, as long as we're trying our best to stay in the line. Okay?
If you push it really hard, it will break.
Yes, that's why we don't push it really hard.
And
And then at the end, the last thing we're going to do is trace the letter I. So we have big eyes and we have little eyes. Okay, can we go back to our blue squares? Thank you.
John Alexander,
Okay.
please call
Do we understand what we're
4134. John Alexander,
Does anyone have
please call
questions?
4134.
No, so we all understand? Yep.
so you put it inside of letter E, so then do nicely.
Yes, exactly. What's up, Blake?
My water is all not filled up.
We'll fill it up later, okay? We got you.
One more.
Yes, Logan.
You
In a little bit.
can't put crayons in your mouth.
That's right. We don't put crayons in our mouth. Okay, lastly, last thing. When you're finally finished with the activity, we're going to go to Miss Herman.
In water.
Okay, we're going to go to Mrs. Herman, and she's going to use a hot glue gun, which is not safe for you children. So she's going to glue it down. These, what are these on a bug? Does anyone know the name?
Antenna.
Good job, Grace. Antennas. So she's gonna glue the antennas down for you, okay? Everyone understands?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna start calling you guys by color. One second. By color of your table. So blue table, go take a seat.
Mr. Shaw?
Yeah. Red table, take a seat. Yellow table, take a seat. Yes. Green table, take a seat. It is a pipe cleaner. Good job. Did you know? That's okay.